The air filter keeps debris out of the engine, where it can plug the carburetor and damage the cylinder and piston. It is a pleated paper filter with a dense foam seal. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more as necessary. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Replacing the air filter is a simple maintenance task. Start by removing the air filter cover. It's held in place with two knobs. With the cover removed, now I can remove the air filter from its base. It just simply pulls away. Now I can install the new air filter. I'll place it onto the air filter base, making sure it seals all the way around, and now I'll replace the cover. I secure the cover with the knobs. And that's how easy it is to replace the air filter on your blower.